So you want to make a better decision. The first thing I'll ask you to do is to think about the last important decision that you made. I want you to have it clear in your head. You have it? Now think about whether that decision was good or not so good. Be honest with yourself, you don't have to tell me. Now what I really want to know is, how did you come up with a judgment of that decision as being good or bad? What I mean is, what did you think of as a basis for that decision to be great or lousy? Now if you're like most of the people that I teach, I do research with, and what has been found by lots of decision scientists, when you told me, well, that decision, when you thought that decision is great or that decision is lousy, what you probably thought about was about how that decision turned out. In other words, the outcome of a decision. Now, I have a problem with that, and decision scientists have a problem with this. And the best way you can improve your decision is not to think about the outcome. And the reason is because we are human decision makers. We're not fortune tellers. We're not clairvoyants. The world is utterly uncertain. And chances are, in your position, in your role, in your organization, in your sector, there's going to be lots of uncertainty, especially now. So there is no way to predict the outcome that will happen. So evaluating the quality of decisions made by ourselves or others is unfair, because you cannot predict the outcome 100%. And to evaluate someone as a great decision maker because a decision turned out great, turns out to reward luck, not the quality of decision making. So what's the alternative? The alternative is to actually pay attention to the process that you follow or has been followed in making that decision. I'm not saying to disregard completely the outcome, by all means keep track of it, but in addition, what is very important is to pay attention to how that decision was made, the process. Ideally, make it explicit, so it's really clear as to what is a process that has to be made to make a good strategic decision.